Hi guys, welcome to ChilliPot Kitchen. My name is Darshini. Today I am going to share a South Indian style Kerala Payasam, which is commonly known as Palada Pradhaman. This is nothing but a rice pudding. This rich and creamy Payasam is more delightful. This easy dump and start Palada Payasam recipe in the Instant Pot is easy to prepare, which is ready in under 45 minutes without babysitting. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more Instant Pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and Instant Pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy, healthy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Please do click the notification bell icon to get an update on my new videos. Let's get started to see how to make perfect Palada Pradhaman in the Instant Pot. Check on the ingredients, take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below for the written recipe. To the inner pot, add washed and drained rice adda. This is easily available in any Indian groceries or check the link below in the description box. You can also use rice instead. Add sugar as per your taste. You can add 1 can of condensed milk or jaggery instead. A pinch of salt to enhance the taste. Few saffron strands. This is completely optional. Add homemade ghee. I have shared an Instant Pot ghee recipe link in the description box below. Please do check it. Add full fat milk. You can also use coconut milk instead. Give it a mix. Close the lid, seal the vent. Pressure cook the payasam for 20 minutes. Once the Instant Pot is done cooking, let the pressure release naturally for 20 minutes, then release the remaining pressure. Once the pin goes down, open the lid carefully. Wow, smells so good. If you want, you can add some cardamom powder. Look at that creamy Palada Pradhaman is ready. I love making payasam in the Instant Pot. You no need to babysit the payasam for hours. Sprinkle some nuts. Enjoy it hot or cold. Both taste great. Our super delicious and creamy Instant Pot Palada Payasam is ready. Do try this Instant Pot Ada Payasam for this festive season. Enjoy it with your family. Happy Onam to everyone. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.